Today I found myself back in Aeth Deborah Hospital where I was admitted 10 years ago as a result of the flu. The GP had sent me here after I'd been acutely unwell for just over a week with my heart racing. On admission, it was found that my heart was enlarged and I had a condition known as myocarditis. There were times then when I genuinely thought that I could die. My heart was racing for a number of weeks, resting at around about 135 beats per minute. But the flu didn't want to stop there. As soon as my heart started to recover, I found that I was still feeling very unwell. And it was at that point that the GP arranged more tests, and I discovered that the flu had started shutting down my pancreas, which now means I'm going to be diabetic for life. And this was all because I got the flu. I was only 35. You don't expect at that age to have something that will be so significant to you and make you so incredibly ill. I'm glad to say though that I'm much better now despite being diabetic, and I've turned my life around and look after myself now through exercise and have become a triathlete. But the one message that I would say is I'd never had a flu jab at that point. Now I would never not have one. Please have your jab.